In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize Shopify images. So if you notice that your images look a little bit off, then what I recommend that you guys do is use a free software in order to resize it. And one of the best ones out there is Canva. So all you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and then just look up Canva. All right, once you're here in Canva, please go ahead and make a free account. But anyways, the next thing you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says create, and then you want to go ahead and select on custom size. Now here's where things get really important. You want to make sure you put in the correct image size over here, and you want to enter the size you want your Shopify image to be. So if you're doing it for product images, I recommend using 2048 by 2048, just like so. And this is going to create a square. So go ahead and press on create new design, just like so. And then from here, it is going to go ahead and open up something that looks like this. And all you want to do from here is you want to drag and drop your logo right here. All right, so what you want to do from here is you want to drag and drop the image of your product or whatever you're trying to resize. Let's say for this example, we wanted to resize this image. As you're able to tell, originally it is way too small, but thankfully with Canva, you're easily able to resize it. So all you want to do is you want to make sure you fill it up completely. All right, and once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on this option that says share. Then you want to go ahead and select on download. Make sure that the file type is PNG or JPEG. I personally recommend using JPEG. And then all you want to do is you want to press on download, just like so. Now just wait for it to install. Okay, now in order to apply this brand new image to your Shopify store, all you want to do is you want to head over to Shopify. Then you want to go to the left menu and scroll down until you see content. Then go ahead and select on files, just like so. Then from here, please go ahead and find the file that you would like to replace. So this is the file that we're trying to replace. So all you want to do is you want to press on replace, just like so. Then go ahead and look for the brand new image in your downloads folder or wherever you saved it to. All right, there you go. It is now going to begin replacing the file, and it is honestly that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.